Good. Oh, and then I hit it right to the wrong side of you. Sorry, Chloe. My fault. Bad hit by Daddy. Ooh.
I have to try again.
Hi, Chloe.
Hi, Mommy.
Yes.
All right.
Ooh, almost. Uh-oh, you're gonna get wet.
Chloe, come here real quick. Come here. Tell me, what did you do today?
Well, I went to Max's, then I went to that little play day thing, and then I went to play tennis.
And how was it?
Good.
Was it? What was your favorite part?
When I was playing tennis, like,
Cool. And what are you so excited? What are you doing now?
I'm playing tennis in the street with my daddy.
Awesome.